Have you ever wished your suitcase could follow you around on its own? Well, your wish is about to come true. Today, we're exploring everything from robot vacuums that clean your home effortlessly to AR glasses that bring the digital world to life. But the star of the show is a revolutionary smart suitcase that follows you, navigates through crowds, and responds to your voice commands. Stay tuned until the end for the big reveal of this game-changing travel companion. Experience hands-free cleaning with the Narwal Freo X Ultra, a robot vacuum and mop designed for pet owners and families. It delivers powerful 8,200 Pascal suction, effective on hard floors and carpets, with a conical brush that prevents hair tangling and a 99.5% fur removal rate. The patented rouleau mop heads apply 12 Newton pressure and spin at 180 revolutions per minute to tackle stubborn stains, guided by AI DirtSense technology for thorough cleaning. The maintenance-free docking station washes, dries, and refills mops, compressing dust for up to 7 weeks of hands-free use. It features tri-laser obstacle avoidance and advanced mapping for efficient navigation. Setup is easy. Plug in, sync with the app, and let the robot map your home. The app offers extensive customization, including room naming, cleaning modes, and restricted zones. Freo mode adjusts settings in real time based on sensor data, optimizing suction and mop saturation as needed. While it lacks a floor drying feature, its innovative base station and single dustbin hold up to 7 weeks of dust. The Freo X Ultra offers powerful cleaning and user-friendly features at a competitive price. Meet the Robosen Elite Optimus Prime, a smaller yet impressive self-transforming toy. Standing at 16 inches, it retains the features of the original 19-inch version, transforming, walking, talking, and performing actions via voice commands or a mobile app. Its lighter, quicker design enhances the experience. Voiced by Peter Cullen, the original voice of Optimus Prime.
My name is Optimus Prime.
It greets you and transforms with authentic sound effects. The smooth transformation is visually stunning, especially when the truck faces away from you. It includes accessories like the Energon Axe and Blaster for battle animations. The premium packaging includes a foam suitcase for safe transportation. Powered by over 5,000 components and 27 servo motors, it offers lifelike movements. Designed for careful handling, it's best for adults or older children. The battery lasts about an hour, with an Energon low warning for recharging. Experience the Wacom Movink, the lightest and thinnest professional pen display at 420 grams and 4 millimeters thick, making it ideal for creatives on the go. It features a 13.3-inch full HD Samsung OLED display with 100,000:1 contrast, 100% DCI-P3, and 95% Adobe RGB coverage, ensuring vivid and accurate colors. The screen is Pantone validated, factory calibrated, and stores 2 custom color profiles. The Movink includes the Wacom Pro Pen 3, supports third-party pens, and offers multi-touch with customizable touch keys. A single USB-C connection handles power and connectivity. Its Corning Gorilla Glass and magnesium alloy body ensure durability. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and Android, the Movink's OLED technology enhances visual quality, improves pen response times, and reduces latency for a cooler, quieter working experience. Developed with Samsung Display, it delivers superior performance for digital artists. Unleash robotics and programming fun with the versatile CodeRover ATV and Snowcat, perfect for all skill levels. This device is an engaging robotics kit compatible with Arduino Uno and Raspberry Pi. They feature powerful metal gear motors, programmable headlights, and an MPU 6050 gyroscope for advanced motion tracking. Designed for varied terrains, they excel in rugged and snowy environments. The upgraded Core Plus improves motor compatibility and onboard sensors. The utility trailer, integrating with Codearm BB gun and rubber band launcher, offers 360-degree rotation. The sensor bundle includes 23 sensors for innovative projects, with extended playtime from 2 14,500 1,000 mAh batteries. The 2-in-1 bundle with sumo and off-road models allows seamless switching between robots. Ideal for beginners and experienced coders, the CodeRover ATV and Snowcat offer endless educational fun and limitless possibilities in robotics and programming. Discover the excitement of the CodeRover ATV and Snowcat, the latest in advanced robotics and programming. These innovative robots are perfect for conquering any terrain and sparking your creativity. Stay tuned for more thrilling gadgets, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest tech trends. Experience portable home theater with Rokid Max AR Glasses. These glasses provide a lightweight, portable second screen, ideal for a private on-the-go home theater. However, they have design and performance issues. One of the said issues is its bridge, which heats up quickly, making them uncomfortable. Its blue plastic design may also seem unappealing for others. Visually, the glasses deliver vibrant colors but struggle with dark scenes, performing best in dark environments. An optional lens cover is recommended for brighter settings. Audio quality is weak, with poor bass and significant leakage, making headphones necessary in public. Unfortunately, headphones aren't an option when using the Rokid Station. The Rokid Station, an add-on, turns the glasses into a portable Android TV with a 5-hour battery life, enhancing functionality and content access. Despite these features, they are pricier than some competitors, like the Xreal Air glasses. Compatibility includes devices supporting DisplayPort over USB-C, with additional adapters needed for HDMI out devices. The InMotion V8 is a sleek, powerful electric unicycle, perfect for new riders. It offers a top speed of 21.7 miles per hour and a 22-mile range, powered by a 518 watt-hour battery and a 1,000 watts motor. Weighing 32 pounds with a 16 by 2.125 inches Kenda tire, it combines portability and stability. The design includes larger footplates for better grip, an intelligent safety tilt, and an electronic speed limit. It features a waterproof charge port, piano black finish, and side LED lights. Portability is enhanced by a retractable trolley handle, ideal for city commuting. Agile and suited for urban environments, the V8 performs well on semi-uneven surfaces, but isn't designed for off-road conditions as cold weather may affect its range. Durability and easy maintenance make it accessible for beginners, and an app may also be used for customization, offering classic and comfort ride modes. Enhance your smartphone photography with the compact and powerful DxO1 camera. The camera, packed in a sleek box, connects to your phone via an app. Its wide-angle lens and large Sony sensor outperform typical smartphone cameras. Key features include a small display, sliding lens cover, minimalist app UI, and support for JPEG, RAW, and Super RAW formats. It has a 1-inch sensor, 32mm equivalent focal ratio, 1.8 lens, and 20.2 megapixels. The compact camera can feel cumbersome on larger phones, and its small battery depletes quickly. Offering PSM control and on-screen touch adjustments, the DxO1 is slower than physical controls. It can function without a phone, but the tiny display is impractical. Video quality is decent but prone to shake. Excelling in image quality, the DxO1 surpasses smartphone cameras when exposure is managed well. Manual adjustments are recommended to avoid digital noise. Lightroom handles all formats well. Luggage technology has remained largely unchanged for decades, and as introduced at the beginning, the TravelMate Robot aims to revolutionize the industry. This innovative suitcase follows you around and can be controlled via your smartphone. Equipped with GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and a 4-hour battery life, it transforms into a regular suitcase when the battery is depleted. Sensors prevent collisions, and wheels lock if unauthorized use is detected. It moves both flat and upright. TravelMate features voice and hand commands, a digital scale, and fingerprint lock and unlock. It also includes LED signal lights, and may soon feature a voice assistant. Inspired by sci-fi, CEO David Neer ensured the suitcase meets TSA, FAA, and international regulations. Airports are exploring its technology for autonomous trolleys. The TravelMate Robot suitcase blends practicality and innovation using AI and machine learning to improve. It navigates crowds, avoids obstacles, and moves vertically and horizontally, carrying additional luggage in autonomous mode. And developed over 3 years by a passionate robotics team, it ushers in a new era in consumer robotics. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video to witness the unfolding of a device that supports old infrared appliances to help make them smarter. Make sure you don't miss this out. See you soon.